Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove login to Wix website. Let's get started. So by login, what I am pertaining to is this icon right here that enables you to log in using this login bar. Now, if you want to remove it, you can actually set this up and manage this menu. So when you click on the setup login bar, you can actually just try to actually change what it looks like. So from in here, just head over to your pages and menu. And in here, you can see the sign up and login. As you can see, there's no option to delete this one, but there's option to delete this by clicking on this one, and you can actually see what it looks like right here. Now, if you want to disable this actual feature, what you can do is you can actually just delete this login bar right here. Just click on the login bar and then click on the delete button on your keyboard. Another method is to manage the applications that are running to your Wix app. So on your Wix dashboard, just head over to the apps market and head over to the manage apps. In here, you can see the Wix members area. Now click on this right here in order to delete this. Now click on this, and in here you can see the delete option. Now click on it right here in order to delete this application on your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.